Hello everyone, this is Cynthia. She's so blessed. I'm back with you to do another video. And on this video today we will be doing a refresh on bar stools. Yes guys, refresh on old bar stools that I purchased at the flea market for $20 maybe about 2 years ago. Okay guys, so how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing fine today. We are towards the end of the week, headed for the weekend, so I hope everybody have a blessed, safe weekend. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and get into the video about what I have done to achieve this look on this here gray bar stool. Guys, I didn't want to go out and purchase any bar stool at the moment, so I said, hey, let's go ahead and do a refresh and take my friends along with me. The things that you will need for this video is a pair of scissors, a flathead, a stapler gun, and some staplers. And also guys, the most important thing you would need is a choice of your color of fabric. So I had purchased this here fabric from Joann Fabric, and I had asked them to give me like 2 yards, so that's that. I got it already started guys unscrewing the screws from the chair, so I got a little jump start on it, so because of video purpose. So let's get into this video guys. There was 4 screws into the bar stool, so I'm going to share that with you. There's 1, 2, 3. So, okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, I had went ahead and already cut out the material, so I got a jump start onto that. And the material looks like this. This is what I found under it. So I wasn't able to get all the staplers out, but I would suggest that if in the near future with myself that we all, have a stapler remover for the cushions. Whatever you're gonna place fabric on, always have a staple remover because I struggle with this, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay out my fabric. Yeah, I already measure it according to this cushion. So you just pretty much got to center it according to the cushion, which I had pretty much did already. And I want to be sure before I staple everything down that everything will go around the thing. Okay. It seems to be center okay, so we're going to go ahead and begin our stapling. I hope you guys can see me pretty good. And another thing I suggest to guys that you place and hold or mark wherever you're going to be placing your screws at, so you can have an idea where they go. So I'm going to put you on pause for a second. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and proceed with our fabric. What you would need to do with this, you just create your fold, but because this is not folded correctly, I'm going to go in this route. You have to play with this here gun sometimes, guys. Going for another refill. Hey guys, you always need to pull your fabric tight. Okay. Always remember to pull your fabric as tight as you can get it. Okay, I ran out of staples. Okay guys, it's all stapled up now. It should looks like that. Okay. So guys, that's pretty much it. So it look like that. Now guys, I'm going to go ahead and place it onto the chair and I'll show you the finished look. Okay guys, that is the finished process of my bar stools. So the bar stools was $20 from the not the thrift store, excuse me guys, the flea market, maybe about 2 years ago. So did a refresh. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you was able to get something out of it. So I will see you guys in the next video. From boring to fabulous. Have a blessed day. See you in the next video. If you like my my video today, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a part of my family, I would love to have you like always. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.